Helping verbs. Do, does, did. They help us with two things, with making questions and making negative sentences. For example, do you exercise? Yes, I do. I exercise. No, I don't. I don't exercise. Do you exercise is a question. So, do you teach? Yes, I do. I teach. I teach English. No, I don't. I don't teach Spanish. Do you work? Yes, I work. I work every day. No, I don't work. I am jobless. Does he play piano? Yes, he plays. He plays piano very well. No, he doesn't. He doesn't play piano. He plays guitar. Does she travel? Yes, she does. She travels a lot. No, she doesn't. She doesn't travel a lot. Do we have dinner? Yes, we do. We have pizza for dinner. No, we don't. We don't have anything for dinner. Do they listen to music? Yes, they do. They listen to music all the time. No, they don't. They don't listen to music at all. These are the questions with do and does. Let's go for negative sentences. I don't read novels. She doesn't watch football. He doesn't play cards. We don't like pop music. This is just for the sake of example. I love pop music. You don't speak Chinese. They don't travel a lot. So these are the negative sentences with do and does. And did is simply the past form of do or does. For example, do I teach? The past form becomes did I teach? Or do we have dinner? The past form becomes did we have dinner last night? So when you want to talk about last night, you don't say do we have dinner last night? You say did we have dinner last night? Did is the past form of do and does. With do and does, we make questions and negative sentences. And if we want to make them in past form, we use did. For example, I didn't read novels. She didn't watch football. He didn't play cards. Last night we wanted to play cards, but he didn't play cards. Using do, does, and did is as easy as that. You just need to make more and more examples in order to master it.